So live your life. Hey. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life. Hey.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make southern collard greens. In a large stock pot, we're going to add your smoked turkey necks, cover it with water, and boil for 2 hours on medium heat. While the smoked turkey necks are cooking, we're going to go ahead and remove the stems from the collard greens. And we're going to soak them in water and vinegar for about 30 minutes. We're going to take them out and rinse them off again. Then we're going to cut them and rinse them again. After smoked turkey necks have cooked for 2 hours, we're going to remove them from the pot, let them cool off so we can shred them up. Now you want to add in 2 cups of water to the broth so we can add our collard greens. Make sure that the collard greens are covered with the broth. Now we're going to add in our seasonings. I'm going to add in some vinegar, some crushed red peppers, some salt, pepper, and sugar. And don't forget your Frank's Red Hot sauce. We're going to mix everything up. We're going to let it cook for 2 more hours. We're going to add back in the smoked turkey necks. Let that simmer for about 30 minutes, and voila!